Okay, I know I may sound a bit tired because I've been camping with Thea for the past couple of days outside, a bit far from the city, because we have a very busy life schedule. So whenever we have a vacation, we go camping in the wild. Okay, this time we have brought two new devices with us. One of those is Ulefone Armor 24 and another is a Ulefone tablet. In this video, today we are going to talk about Ulefone Armor 24. There are two features that's really interesting about this phone. I believe this phone is made for the people who loves to go camping, who loves to go outside, who loves to go in the wild, because you know what? This Ulefone Armor 24 comes with a 22,000 mAh battery. That's not massive. That's humongous. At the beginning, I thought it's ludicrous. But after me and Thea, we both have used this one, I think, yeah, the battery capacity is actually a justified one for a smartphone which is made for campers. Ulefone has even made a special camping wallpaper for this smartphone. Okay, as this one comes with a 22,000 mAh battery, we can use this smartphone without any issue for 7 days. Armor 24 offers 4 days of calling time, and yeah, definitely comes with a reverse charging function, and this time it's not 5-watt reverse charging. Armor 24 comes with a 10-watt reverse charging, so this one can even recharge other devices at a very fast charging speed. Okay, that's the first special feature. And the second thing is, look at this. Look at our tent. Even in the middle of a night, our tent shines like a bright sunlight. Thanks to Ulefone Armor 24, this one comes with a LED light panel at the rear panel, and that LED light panel actually consists of 510 LED lighting beads. And more importantly, this LED light panel only uses 6 watts of power. So yeah, this LED light can go very bright, up to 1000 lumens, and at the same time is very energy efficient. Kudos to Ulefone for coming up with such a great design and intelligent integration of a light panel. Now we don't have to carry an extra light when we go camping because we have Ulefone Armor 24. Okay, if you are worried about wet weather environment like raining or something like that, don't need to be worried. Because this LED light panel has IPX8 rating, so this one is highly resistant to water splash or anything like that. There are 3 light modes and 3 brightness levels. It is very easy to use. Thanks to Ulefone, they have integrated a physical button on the left side. Yeah, it's very easy to use. Just push the button for a few seconds, the light will power up. Push the button for a few seconds, the light will power off. A single press will change the brightness level, and double press will cycle through the light modes. Oh yeah, Ulefone also has developed an application, the Camping Light application, and inside this Camping Light application, we can easily manage the light as we want. The user interface of this application is very easy. It's very easy to navigate and use. We can not only adjust the light mode or brightness level, but also can set a timer for the light. Yeah, there is a duration slide bar. We can slide from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. It's very easy to use. Well, with this portable but powerful LED light, we are equipped with an all-in-one lighting solution for outdoor adventures like camping, night fishing, hiking, cycling, and many other. And the light also can adapt to other works or emergencies in darkness. Okay, that's the first part of the review. Before we start the second part, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then check the specifications, and then we will talk about DCGB, display, camera, gaming, and battery performance. I will let you enjoy the unboxing along with my favorite background music. Okay, here comes our Ulefone Armor 24. Definitely this one has a bit of a different design because there is a very big LED light panel, and yeah, altogether this is a very unique design language. Ulefone always uses premium materials to manufacture their smartphone, and Ulefone Armor 24 is no different than that. Armor 24 has metal frame, it's definitely a very sturdy smartphone. Armor 24 has grabbed IP69K IP68 rating. Not only that, this one also has military standard 810H rating. So yeah, it can be used in a very harsh environment and withstand against harsh use case scenarios. Volume rockers and power button are located on the right side. Yeah, the power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor because the fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button. Bottom firing single loudspeaker and USB-C port are located at the bottom. Yeah, as this is a rugged smartphone, the USB-C port is well protected with a cover. On the left side, there is a triple slot SIM tray, so we can use 2 SIM cards and a TF card at the same time. We can use a up to 2TB TF card. There are 2 other buttons on the left side. One has this orange accent, which is a customizable key. Yeah, almost all the Ulefons comes with this customizable key, and the other key is for the LED light panel, which I have already talked about. On top, there is a 3.5mm port accompanied by an IR blaster, and there is nothing else on top. It's good to see that Ulefone has also protected the 3.5mm port with a cover. Okay, I think I have forgotten to mention about this uSmart connector. Yeah, this one is a very special thing. This is a proprietary connector for Ulefone accessories, and we will definitely talk about this later in the video. Another thing I really want to mention is, yeah, I know this Ulefone Armor 24 looks a bit bigger than many other rugged smartphones, but this one isn't that heavy. Even Thea can carry it around without any issue. She has used this more than me, so you can definitely understand. Considering the size, the weight is actually on a lighter side. Ulefone Armor 24 comes with the FHD Plus display panel, and the display panel is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Even if the display panel of Armor 24 is an IPS LCD panel, Ulefone has actually used a very good quality IPS panel. Premium quality IPS LCD panel. Yeah, this panel can reproduce natural colors and goes very bright under direct sunlight. Most of the time, I've seen that some other brands who uses IPS LCD panel, those panels cannot go very dim in dark environment. But Ulefone Armor 24's display panel can go very dim under dark environment, and adaptive brightness works very fine. Even if this is a LCD panel, dark mode, color scheme, every standard features works perfectly fine. Moreover, this vibrant panel supports 120Hz refresh rate. Well, what else can we expect from a 6.78-inch display panel of a rugged smartphone? Definitely this one is one of the best. Ulefone Armor 24 comes with a bottom-firing single loudspeaker. The loudspeaker actually performs very well. The speaker goes very loud. Even at full volume, the sound doesn't get distorted. Let's listen to some music and then you decide how good is the performance. Okay, as usual, before we talk about camera, gaming, battery and everything, we are gonna do a water drop test. We are gonna put this Armor 24 into water for the next 10 minutes. Let's check whether this water drop test gonna do any damage or not. Well, you have already seen that I have placed this Ulefone Armor 24 inside water for the last 10 minutes. Actually, it was almost 20 minutes. We have forgotten to bring it out from water, and as usual, there is no damage straight out of the water. And now we are gonna do camera, gaming and battery tests. Ulefone Armor 24 comes with a 64MP OV64B night vision sensor and a 64MP Sony IMX686 flagship class main sensor. The 64MP night vision sensor is attached with the advanced Ulefone Night ELF Ultra 2.0 algorithm and powerful IR sensor. First, let's check some night vision photos and then we will check some main sensor photos. I have taken the main sensor photos side by side with a POCO smartphone. You check by yourself. Please watch this video in 1080p and then you will be able to notice the differences clearly. Armor 24 has easily outperformed the POCO phone. So yeah, the camera setup of Armor 24 deserves a big applaud. Armor 24 comes with 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. The RAM is actually expandable up to 24GB because we can allocate 12GB of ROM as RAM. So altogether, having access to 24GB of RAM is definitely a nice thing. As this Ulefone Armor 24 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G96 SoC, a very capable SoC, it can handle almost all the games. Me and Thea, we both have played a lot of different type of games on this Ulefone Armor 24. We have never felt any lag, we have never seen any issues, but you need to understand this is a rugged smartphone and rugged smartphones are not built for gaming. So if you wanna play graphics intensive games with ultra high graphics settings, you may not able to do that, but you will be able to play graphics intensive games in medium graphics settings. Yeah, I must mention in-game experience is very smooth. I'm truly surprised by the performance. And another thing is the display panel. The FHD Plus 1080p display panel of this Ulefone Armor 24 offers very good vibrant colors, and altogether gaming on this Ulefone Armor 24 is more than fun. Ulefone always offers stock Android without much of a customization. I should say almost no customization. I really like this smooth OS experience. Armor 24 runs on Android 13 out of the box, and yeah, there is no skin. As far as I know, I will get at least 2 major Android updates, so it's definitely future-proof. As usual, the safety and biometrics features are working perfectly fine, without any issues. As I mentioned earlier, the fingerprint sensor of Armor 24 is integrated into the power button, so it's a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Once a fingerprint is registered, the phone gets unlocked within a fraction of a second. I prefer to use fingerprint sensor, but if you want, then yeah, there is an option for 2D face unlock. It's also very easy to enroll face data, and definitely face unlocking option is even faster than the fingerprint sensor. Finally, it's time to talk about the battery. Well, do I need to talk about the battery? I have already talked about the battery. Armor 24 is equipped with a ludicrous, humongous 22,000 mAh battery. Okay, what I haven't mentioned yet is this one also comes with a 66-watt charger included inside the box, and the charger offers a very fast and stable charging speed. So the phone gets charged within 128 minutes. That's really super fast considering this phone is equipped with a 22,000 mAh battery. Now, I'm not gonna talk about screen on time because screen on time may go as long as up to 7 days. Yes, depending on different type of using pattern, it may go up to 7 days. And yeah, if you really wanna use the LED light panel, then it may go down to 12 hours. So the screen on time varies on how we use the LED light panel and whether we use mobile data or Wi-Fi. Okay, before we wrap up, there is another thing we must talk about. That is uSmart E03. I have already shown that Armor 24 comes with a dedicated port for connecting other accessories like this one. There are many other different accessories, and yeah, all the accessories are truly plug and play. So what we have to do is to connect the accessory through this port and bang, we are good to go. Ulefone uSmart E03 is an endoscope tool. This can be used for inspection of maintenance work and is widely used to reach the tiny or narrow places where we cannot easily reach to check the internals. Inside the box, there is a very nice quick start guide or user manual. They have also added some multifunctional accessories inside the box, and this is truly a very useful thing. As this is an endoscope, definitely this is equipped with a camera, which has 1280 by 720 resolution. There are 6 LEDs with adjustable brightness. This is IP67 waterproof and comes with a 1 meter length of cable. Considering the price, this uSmart E03 is one of the best endoscopes available on the market, and when it's used along with any Ulefone smartphone, this actually brings a lot of convenience to life, especially for those who wanna use an endoscope. So if you're looking for a smartphone with an endoscope, then this is the perfect bundle for you. Well, that's all about this Ulefone Armor 24. I wish you have enjoyed this video. I have left a link of the product in the description box below, and yeah, I'm also going to review this Ulefone Armor tablet. If you're interested, don't forget to watch the other review video. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.